friends. Today I will show you how to create a dynamic web pages using routes. Here you can see the code for how to use the routes. To use routes, you first install Express.js. Express.js is a package to run the pages in the server. This is the code. This is all the JSON file. And first, this is a method to send a HTML file directly through JS via routes. Before all of this, what is route? Let's see, I will explain about the routes. Routes are the path to open web pages dynamically in a continuous manner. Let's see what is the routes. As we can see, when I enter the dashboard, the URL contains placement.weather.dev. Here you can see when I press anything, the URL get extended home.learning path. That's like. And when I open another page, you can see it will extended. I opening another page, you can see that will extended. Let's go back and learn how to implement these routes by your own. Now I will explain my code how I implemented this. To implement a route, first you have to give some port number. App.3000 is the port number. You can give any number according to your wish. After that, to use any route, you have to give a route name /signup as I given. That is also your wish. And give any file to it. As I give a file and login form. To use HTML pages in routes, you have to give the form method and form action like that. Method get and action is to which the data to be stored in that route, as you can see. And another login form. This is all the as same as it. This form handle. You can see the preview of the page login form and sign up form. As you can see it. As you can see here, that routes where the data stored is given the method attribute as login and login store. This is the syntax or condition to validate the form as is the mail is contained in the database or not and the password is matching it or not. Let's make the server online as I already make it. And now we can check our web pages. That I'm opening my route here. As you can see, their localhost 3000 semicolon login sign up form. Yes, the sign up form is opened. Here I am entering some username. And a valid email then. And creating a password. And submitting it. And creating an account here. Just for that I am seeing a password to know it. As you see here, as I submitted it, login successfully is done. And now I am opening the Firestone where the data is stored in it. As you can see in my code, I have used Firebase to store the data. Let me see, I'm opening my projects and collections to see where the data is stored or not. How to store this data, I already explained in my previous videos. But it is loading, it takes some time. As I already created a collection called login to store the data, to get user ID and email and the password. You can see where is our earlier entered data bit. Here is that my email and my name and my password. Now we can check our login family is working or not by evaluating this data, or getting the data from the Firestone and checking that it is right or wrong, right password or valid password or email is present in my not. If we enter wrong password, it want to show it error. Let's wait and see. As I previously entered data, you can see there. I'm checking that the login form is validated or not. Enter my password and login to the page. You can see it's successful, the login. Well, login successful, it shows. And this is my overall code. This is how we can implement our routes dynamically using Express.